Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the exhaust muffler from the easy-to-fit kit by Faurecia used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Unplug the battery. In order to make changes to the exhaust muffler, you have to raise the rear of your vehicle. Lift the back of your vehicle and place it on the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. A rusty, damaged, or overused exhaust line can mean that your vehicle fails its MOT. It is therefore recommended to change these parts preventatively. On this vehicle, the exhaust line is in two parts. You will therefore have to separate the exhaust line from the exhaust muffler when replacing the line. Start by brushing the screws on the clamping clip that connects the muffler to the exhaust line, then spray it with penetrating oil. While waiting for the product to take effect, brush the screws on the silent blocks that keep the muffler hanging from the car and spray them with penetrating oil as well. Using a 13mm socket, release the two screws on the silent block on the driver's side to make the operation easier. Start by removing the clip that links the muffler to the exhaust line. Unscrew the clamping clip using a socket wrench, an extender and a 60mm socket. Once the screw on the clip has been removed, turn the slip using a screwdriver, then remove it using exhaust clip pliers. Using a socket wrench, a big extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the two screws holding the silent block on the passenger side. Then do the same thing with those on the driver's side. The muffler is now free and you can remove it.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You should also remove the clamping clip that has remained on the line. The easy-to-fit kits by Faurecia are split into several parts, which makes it possible to assemble the entire exhaust line easily, safely and on your own without needing specific equipment. The kits come with all the accessories needed for assembly adapted to the line in question. This means you don't have to worry about missing parts or compatibility issues, which might stop you from completing the operation. Take the silent blocks provided in the easy-to-fit kit, grease them to make them easier to install, and place them on the exhaust muffler. Once in place, using pliers, fold the spurs that fix the silent blocks in place, stopping it from leaving its housing. You can now install the muffler. Take the clamping clip and slide it onto the exhaust line. Slide the muffler into place and start by screwing the silent blocks back in such a way so that the muffler hangs during the following operations. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Position the clamping clip so that it crosses over both the new muffler and the exhaust line. Once properly in place, screw the clip in using a 16mm socket to fix the two elements. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. The assembly of your new muffler is now complete. Check that there are no contact points between the exhaust line and the heat shield. You can now put your vehicle back on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.